Hey, this is Gabriel Castro from exoticwoodpin.com. This is a mold I've been using for years, and it's pretty much seen it all. Hold on a second. Hey, this is Gabriel Castro from exoticwoodpin.com. In this video, I'm going to be making a new mold. This mold I've had for several years, and this is about the length of. This is one of the blanks that came out of this mold. I think this is the top like that, but it's pretty much run its course. It doesn't release very well. I still have pieces in here that are stuck. It's from when I tried to cast some Alumilite in here. It didn't work very well. So, and you can see that the blanks, they're not very square, they're irregular, and they just don't look good. So that requires a lot of extra work on my part to use these. So it's just not worth keeping. So we're going to make a new one in this video. This is a product I bought. This I got at Michael's. Time I'm recording this video, it's end of May 2019. Michael's Craft Store. I think this was $28, and it's a two-part putty. You mix together and it's ready to go right away. So we'll go ahead and get started next. Okay, so let's open this up. So according to the instructions, this only has a 2 to 3 minute working time. So that means 2 minutes. You mix this together in equal amounts. And being that this is the mold, this is what I'm going to be using for my mold. This is like what I used the first time, which went inside here like that. And I'm going to be using the same thing, a little bit shorter because I had a lot of waste in this. So anyway, just for you can see the difference. Height-wise, that's the same. Width-wise, it is not. So it's really shrunk. It's really curved now. So anyway, that's why we really need to get rid of that, because it's just junk. Make sure my tabletop is clean. I'm just going to start one side first, and then the sides all the way around, a little at a time. That looks like pretty even amount. Like I said, 2 to 3 minutes of working time. So that means 2 minutes at the low end. And what's good about this stuff is it can overlap. You can do one side and then build around it and layer it, and it will still bond to the previous layer. So I don't have to worry about trying to do the whole thing in one shot. So I'm going to start on the end. And this is kind of oily by itself, so I don't have to worry about it sticking to the tabletop of my table saw. And that's probably equal amounts. Maybe a little bit more. Like this side, I just want to make sure those edges are pretty strong, so make sure I'm building those up. And then this is a final piece I'm going to put here on the bottom, just to make sure that bottom part is nice and strong. And it's probably about 1/4 inch or more thick. And I have a little bit of that stuff left over for some touch-up in case it needs it, but probably will not. Okay, so overnight I let this set and cure. It says only 20 minutes, but I like to be extra sure, so that comes out effortlessly compared to the other thing. You can see how nice and square that is, and level. Anyway, that's my quick video. Thank you for watching.